Hey guys, it's Reese and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is going to be my college move-in vlog. I am currently a sophomore at Cornell University in New York, and I'm actually transferred. I flew here, so I had to get everything here. So this move-in vlog is literally a mess, and I just want to promo my other video, first week of college, which will be coming out this week. I do everything in that. I did not do anything for my room. The first 2 days that I moved in, I had so many orientation things, and you'll see in the video, it's really chaotic. I met my roommate.
Hey everyone, welcome to my vlog.
We got all our stuff together, but you'll see more of that in the first week of college vlog, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Turn on post notifications, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys at the end. I'm sad. I'm an idiot and I left my stupid Hydro Flask on the plane. So I need to buy another one. I'm like actually mad. Listen. Here we are. Oh, I'm jet lagged, but I'm excited to go shopping, and I also don't want to do this right now because I'm jet lagged and tired and just want to sleep. I've only slept for like 4 hours, so that's great. And then the night before that, I couldn't sleep because I was so anxious and nervous and all these emotions, and so I slept for 4 hours too. We're looking for nail clippers. We're just gonna go through all the aisles and see what Reese needs for like every day. I'm like so picky about what nail clipper I use. This is all my life for the next 6 months. We're tired of being in Target. We literally spent an hour and a half. That was so long. I don't know. This is gonna be a mission to get it in the car.
Okay. Let me figure out what's happening. Move you up as we get spots. Okay. So if the student can go in and get the key, and I'm gonna have him direct the student. That's what he's doing right now. So where to go to get the key. Let me out.
And we just sit in the car and wait?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, do you want me to go with you?
Welcome to my house.
This is my key. I don't have the automatic like scan on your ID, and they don't have my ID. So that's good. Because I changed the picture. I think it deleted. They're gonna take another one. Oh my god, it's so freaking cold. So now we have to grab all Reese's stuff.
Grab everything out.
And we have so much stuff.
Wait, Maddie, look. Wait, it's gonna fall. You're good. It's just water. It's just water.
Okay. Great job, everybody. Here, wait, smile. Sit and smile.
Hey.
Okay, ready, everybody? This one's mine. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we found Reese's room for the first time.
Hey, hi.
Oh, that's good.
Hey. Hi. How's it going? Good. New student coffee. She's nuts. Sounds good. I'm walking towards her. And then this tonight. The army's required. Yeah. And he is transfer. Oh wait, is this it? No.
I put that whole ass duvet in my luggage. it is. And I feel like so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, so we moved in a little bit. We took an eating break and I don't have anything because Amazon, I placed it late last night, so unfortunately they can't do under 24-hour delivery. But Prime is still coming, so it's on Sunday. They're gonna deliver it tomorrow. I'm obsessed with Amazon. I hope by next year I get sponsored by them because I've seen that they sponsor a couple college YouTubers and I've literally bought everything on Amazon because I really love it. So I have my hangers coming tomorrow. I have my rug, my A$AP Rocky posters coming on Monday. I have my mattress pad coming, my mirror, like my little LED mirror. What else did we buy? Do you know? Oh, pillows. Honestly, literally everything's so much cheaper on Amazon. Yeah, I'm not sure if we need the pillows anymore because I have a couple pillows going on and I really like it and it looks really cozy and homey. But right now we have to go to this, what's it called, something mandatory, yeah, an like assembly, student assembly, but I don't really think it's mandatory because it's at the field. Love my roommate. She's so nice and she's so outgoing and like friendly and really like easy to talk to. So
in half a mile, turn left onto Mitchell Street.
I think we're gonna get along really well, and she might be bringing her car, which is super fun. We could like do errands and stuff. We actually have a lot more storage than I thought, so that's exciting. I don't have a storage problem yet, so we have to go buy containers and everything because we don't know where anything. Like we didn't know what she would have and stuff. Yeah. And we have to go to Costco and IKEA and get snacks. We just have a lot of stuff we need to buy still. Yeah. But it's hard because you have to go to like a million things. And we have to wait for my hangers to come in. We're at Costco. I'm really tired and cold, so I'm wearing a jacket. Okay, so here we go. We have a little mini haul. Makeup wipes. I'm gonna keep all of this under my bed. I actually have quite a bit of storage under there. Oh, we should look for containers. Gum, a giant Angie's Boom Sugar Pop because you know we like to eat healthy. And it's resealable, which is really nice. Not even that. Cheez-Its. We got, oh my gosh, that's so funny. We got the Tates, but these are the big version. Those are the small version. We're obsessed with Tates, so good. And then we got some Q-tips, some Dove, Band-Aids, because everyone thinks I'm gonna get hurt, but I actually get blisters a lot. And then razors, and then just a little alcohol bottle. Honestly, I only need one, but it's $3, so. Oh, and then I really like this perfume, and it's a 3-ounce bottle. And then lotion. These are so good too. Maddie, what's better, Angie's or Popcorners?
Angie's, 100%.
Okay, I guess we're going to the Angie's. I really want to get that, but that's way too many Cheez-Its. Okay, but we can put it in the in your suitcase. Oh, somebody took some out. I don't. This is so much food. Okay, but then you won't have to buy it. Yeah, that's true. Okay. It's quite far. You guys twisted my arm. Yeah, and I'll need snacks and stuff for late night study sesh. What I'm getting for my visitors, it's a sleeping bag. And this is your pillow. Oh my God. You can give it to Bevy. Okay, but actually, can I get this? That's so cute. Maddie wants a blanket. And I can keep it in Reese's dorm room for when I see him. So we found these non-slip hangers. The ones that look like they have the velvet on them. We didn't open it. And we didn't open that. And it's $13 basically for 50 of them. And I bought it on Amazon. I got 100 for $35. So it's actually $10 cheaper at Costco. So Amazon, wish we found these earlier. Sorry buddy. Amazon actually got beat. I seriously can't believe that. That's crazy. I love like finding like where it's cheapest. Like I don't even care that much. It's like $10, but like it's just cool to find it like it's cheaper than Amazon. Cheaper than Amazon. So, like, yeah, it literally never happens. On everything we've seen, we've compared it to Amazon, and it just doesn't happen. So, and our cart got way more full. Everybody's buying stuff that we don't need and can't bring home. This is what $500 at Costco looks like. $550. $550. My bad. Oh, perfect.
You can put that inside the
So we're gonna put the small stuff in here.
Easier to carry.
Yeah, true. Okay. Gloves. I honestly don't think I need 3 pairs of gloves, but they would. Okay, so we have gloves, and then we have gum. Your camera's gonna die. Makeup wipes, Cheez-Its, Skinny Pop, coat hangers, Tide Pods. We have a bunch of sweatpants. We have cookies, command strips, Q-tips, Band-Aids, and a bunch of snacks. So we rushed back from shopping because I have a stupid mandatory meeting at 7:30 and it's 7:31 and it literally took us like over an hour to drive back. So I'm mobbing here. I'm like anxious because we've been like staring at the clock for so long. But yeah, so everyone cacked in the car, but all my stuff from Costco's in the trunk and we'll have to wait to unload that. So I'm gonna go to the meeting. So I'm literally the worst vlogger and move-in has been so stressful. I don't know how everyone gets their stuff done all in one day. Maybe it's just because I wasn't prepared, but it is so stressful and I've had to go to Target like 4 times. I've tried to like do other shopping and orientation stuff is just bombarding me, so I literally just don't have time for like everything all at once. So I got a lot of stuff shipped on Amazon and it finally came to my roommate's aunt's house. So that was really nice that she let us ship it there. But I just want to like make this a real move-in vlog. Like I said, I'm sorry it's so sporadic, but this is literally how my life has been. Like I got all my stuff together. I've been doing some progress, but I got way more stuff delivered. And this isn't even all of it. Like she has all her pictures and stuff up. Look at my side of the room. I don't even have sheets on my bed. The last 2 nights I've literally been sleeping with no sheets. I've been sleeping in my duvet. And there's just so much to do and unpack, so I really want to show you guys that. My battery is dying. My life is like a show right now. It's so crazy hectic and I haven't even like had time to like hang out with my family. My sister just left. My boyfriend is like, we barely had time to talk. I just like don't even go on Instagram because I have so much to do. Wake up, get used to like the time change, eat, go to the orientation things, try to get some shopping in between. And yeah, so it's just really stressful, but it's really fun and I love it. Everyone's so nice. So I'm going to show you all my unpacking right now. Enjoy. I haven't been able to do laundry for like 2 days and it's really bad. So I'm gonna grab all my laundry and put it in this cute little kids laundry basket that I thought was perfect. I mean, it doesn't fit that much, but I like to do laundry, so hopefully it's not that bad to like carry. I don't think it will be because it's kind of wide and I only have 2 towels. So you know what, I take that back. There's only like 2 towels in here. Oh well. And then I have to wash my sheets. I have 2 pillowcases. I only have 1 pillow though. Vintage washed percale pillowcases. I felt so many different pillowcases and I honestly didn't like any of them besides this. So it smells really horrible. Are these like normal pillowcase sizes? It looks kind of long. I swear to God, nothing is working out. 2 standard pillowcases. I'm honestly so over it. These are not the right size, but I don't even care anymore. It's just annoying. I got the extra large twin. This is the cotton sheet set from Threshold. This also smells horrible. I'm not sure why. Like it just smells like vomit. So I really need to wash these. Okay, let's see what they gave me. I know they gave me 1 pillowcase. This is the not fitted sheet, which honestly, oh, this is the fitted one. And this is the not fitted one, which honestly I don't really need. So I'm not gonna wash that unless I have extra. Here's the other pillowcase. This is so long too. These better shrink. So now I'm gonna take this down. I have more laundry. If anyone, this is the hamper I originally wanted to get. It's my roommate's. It's from IKEA. It's like really tall. If anyone ever wants to mail me that, please do. I'm gonna organize the food.
answer.
So thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, it was a mess, but I filmed the first week of college and that's really when I get all my stuff together. I'm sorry for not posting. Obviously the school is not easy and I'm also pre-med. I don't know if I've ever said that, but that means that I am in a bunch of science and math classes, so it's really difficult to manage and I'm just trying to get the hang of things. And also I'm a transfer, so everything is just completely new to me. So I am kind of getting in the routine of things, so like I said, stay tuned for my other videos. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. 3 people walked by when I was filming this. It's so awkward. Bye.